Hi guys, welcome back to Better Reviews. So it's me again. So I'm your product reviewer for today's video. And for today's product review guys, we're going to review a pang-healthy na seta nga review karon guys. So ang akong review karon is about barley. But I know some of you are familiar with barley kay ang barley, if may tag barley, ang ato pong ma-pop up sa itong na is katong color green like matcha style. But this barley kay lahi. So this is the berry barley. So guys, dugay na ni naan ako. I mean, usa ni siya ka duha di ka box guys. So 2 boxes of berry barley guys. I think last year or last basta I think last year pag yun ay kay my mother was diagnosed breast cancer but karon is nawala na jud si mama. But ang kaning berry barley guys, dako po siyang natabang. Do wala ni nahurot og inom ni mama. That's why naapay nahibilin. So daghan kay na siya guys, and it cost 900 ang isa ka box or 800. So duha man ka box ang mong gipalit, so mahal-mahal na gyud. And what I like about it guys, kay it's just like a juice. Yes. From the word berry guys, sweet siya, like napod siya pagkalabang. Kada na something na mapabilin sa mga baba. Though tamis siya imnon, pero labang. Basta, if bisaya ka, baka sa word niya labang. Anyway, nani siya pakapin nga baso sa kanang berry barley guys, and maoto siyang sudlan para kutawon gyud. Kaya na dito ang iyang sukod. So, if wala ko masayop, ang akong nahimduman is, ang iyang water is only 350 ml. Para makuhaan yun mo ang iyahang lasa. And guys, this berry barley consists of 15 grams. So, iyang net weight guys is 15 grams. And also, it has organic barley grass with stevia. That's why it is sweet. Kaya na siya stevia guys. It's like alternative or another option of sugar. So, it's good. I decided to review this berry barley guys kay I've just noticed nga every time I drink berry barley, there's something changes sa ko ang kinaon. Like for example, minom ko berry barley night or morning. Ini ka ugmana or in that day kay mawag taon ko ga nagkaon, I don't know. Dili sa ingon nga mawag ka nang di na ko ganahan mo mukaon ha. Mura siya na control ako ang mga cravings kumbaga. Like for example, I like sweet. Pero igo na lang ko sa hunahuna nga ganang ko mo og tamis, pero once magkaon ko og tamis, then amazing. Kanang ikaw sara nimong tilaw, then okay, I'm good. Yan na ako ang reaction na to guys. Okay, basta gani katulad po kanino man mingon gay ko og kanang kaon tamis. Bisag pila pa nakatamis guys, as in grabe kay ko mo kaon og tamis. Pero karon ni isa halos maglisod na ko og hurot. Amazing. More siya mo control, and isa pa mga oily, like for example nagsudan ko og hotdog, mga pinirito, manok, fried chicken. As in guys, after bidlion ko kay oily ra kayo, nganang nag-share something about the berry barley guys. So I will mention you what are the benefits of berry barley. So guys, this is not sponsored. Kanang nag-review lang ko guys kay I just want to share what's my experience drinking berry barley. So here are the benefits. So experience the benefits of barley grass juice and extracts from berries. So it really comes from berries, guys. So it is rich in antioxidants, relieves ulcerative colitis, boosts the immune system, natural detoxifier, prevents and protects against cancer. Though, ang katokang kang mama guys, kay wala gyud siya nadala because stage 4 cancer na si mama. So, dili na gyud siya madala og mga unsay imnon guys. So, immune stage 4, of course, lala na kay na. Though, I miss my mom guys. So, protects against UV radiation, reduces excess acidity, helps repair DNA, and has anti-inflammatory. So, sa kinaunahan pa lang guys, rich in antioxidants, di ba? More good siya nakapa-cleanse sa kuang lawas para nako, and napasyagingon diri nga natural detoxifier. So, it really helps guys. So, I really agree with this berry. No wonder why it's expensive. Kaya nagyod siya benefits pud nga nindot. And ako siyang kutawan guys karon. Pero di ninyo makita. Sige, magigamit na lang ko glass clear glass para makita ninyo ang color sa berry barley. Now, so guys, before na ko timplahon ang berry barley, ako ipakita sa inyo ha ang iyahang powder sa color. So, mo ni siya guys. So, na siya ka ng murag tibugol. Feel na kumon siya ang berry. And nagi siya pagka-aslong po gamay. So, let's start. So, guys, I'm back. And this is my barley now, guys. And as you can see, yung anihang color, it's something like brown, maroon, whatsoever. Slightly pink. So, mo na siya yung dagway, guys. And, na something bubbly siya. And, ato na siyang tilawan, guys. So, wala pa kayo naka-dissolve ang iyahang powder. So, ato i-dissolve taro. I use water, or I mean, regular water, guys. Not hot water. Pero butangan niya po na ko ni siya og ice. Kay ganahan ko og bugnaw para di kay siya ngon luod imnon. Though I know it's a juice, but sometimes or somehow nagyapon siya luod imnon. Siguro ma-feeling mo iyang mga tibugol. More ka mga berries ba. So, ito na i-try guys. Nagi siya pagka-aslom. Wala ko dagan ra kong water. I think dili siya 350. Dili pa ka ha? 150. Pero nagyapan guys. As in, spisora. Lamig yun siya ubog now guys. Para di mo ma-feel. So, again, it's a healthy juice. If you want. So, wala ko nag-ingon guys nga this is good for diet ha. Wala siya gibutang guys. Mora niya ko ang reaction after I drink berry barley. And I'm thankful of it. So, I think that's all guys. If I'm going to rate this, I will rate this 9 out of 10 because this is my first time to drink this kind of juice, like something na benefits sa mga lawas. And I'll give it a 9 lang sa. So that's all guys. Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel Better Reviews. So if you have any questions guys, you can comment down below. And I will put the link of this product on the description. So bye-bye!